his name is, then let's give Jesus the biggest clap offering. You may be seated in his wonderful presence. There's an awesome anointing that's in this place tonight. Something very special you can play with, Ministry.
I'ma always remember forever all that you done. Raising me up, lifting me up, giving me nothing but love. Your son gets honor. Looking up to my father to learn. Dedicated to your pops, today I give my return. Carry me up on your shoulders for me to see what you do. Working hard for me to live, sorry for what I put you through. Pops, it's my duty to know you, a friend as well as my dad. Still always love me and welcome me back into the pad. I wanna thank you for all that you done for me through the years. If I was ever in need, you always lent me your ear. You're my example, doing your best to raise up a man, giving me what you didn't have. I look up to you, Dad, and in this life none could ever replace you or take your place. They say like father, like son, a mirror of your embrace. Giving me love as a child, moving mountains out the way. My heart is here for you, Pat, been so happy Father's Day.
Shout to the Lord, all the earth, let us sing. Power and majesty, praise to the King. Mountains bow down and the seas will roar at the sound of your name. I sing for joy at the work of your hands. Forever I'll love you, forever I'll stand. Nothing compares to the promise I have. Nothing compares to the promise I have.
Jesus taught us to the streets, to reach communities bound. I never had me no freedom until the day that I found the living God, who took back what the devil had robbed. No more dying for false cause, ministry's my full-time job. Because our hearts carries the burden up on our shoulders. Come on and join this endeavor. Silicon Valley's our focus, exposing lies of the beast. We're losing lives to the streets. Mamas are crying, babies are dying. It's time to reach, preaching the gospel of Jesus to bring the truth to the hood. We come with nothing but love, some get us misunderstood. It isn't about the money, we don't get paid for all this. We just believe that you can have it better than this. Ceasefire alternative, don't wait, the time has come now. The only answer is God. Ceasefire, all weapons down, let's take a stand. Set free all of your people in chains, pushing back against this curse. Make way for Jesus to reign.
Did not bring us out this far to take us back again. He brought us out to take us into the promised land. He did not bring us out this far to take us back again. He brought us out to take us into the promised land. Though there'll be giants in the land, I will not be afraid. He brought us out to take us into the promised land. Though there'll be trials in the land, I will not be afraid. He brought us out to take us into the promised land. He did not bring us out this far to take us back again. He brought us out to take us into the promised land. Though there'll be changes in this land, I will not be afraid. He brought us out to take us into the promised land. He did not bring us out this far